Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Today is going to be another unboxing because this one is a package that I've been waiting for since early December. I ordered this one in early December as some parts of it were actually a Christmas present, but for one of my family members. But for some reason I didn't get the package and it got sent back, and now I got it. It's kind of a huge one. I hope I will not dox myself. Sorry if it takes so long, and sorry if I'm being quiet. I need to clean my scissor. A lot of paper. There's a lot of the items are in. Sorry if I'm being. There we go. Three ones. Classic garlic, Los Calientes, and the last Apollo. The last tab of the Apollo, which is actually for my bro. And the little one, the last tab, I ordered the extra one, so now I got, for now, I got two. Hey, oh, whoa, nice. One is that one, a Hellfire Detroit, nice. I got a Pocketbot Chipotle Express, Heartbeat, Hot Sauce, and Hellfire Detroit. So I'm adding 3 more to my collection. I think I'm probably going to need to do a hot sauce collection video later on. Burn after eating hot sauce. Which is probably going to burn when I eat it, I suppose. Angry Goat, Goat Rider. Now it's getting dark. There we go. Angry Goat. I must say it's very neat packaging. I must admit. I don't understand why it's getting dark all of a sudden. in dozens shawarma sauce. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different kinds of hot sauces at the moment. And I got two classics, 2 calientes, and come on, camera. Come on, there we go. So 2 classics, 2 calientes, 3 hot in last stabs. So that was the unboxing. I hope you like it. You can comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.